Man, that's beautiful. Okay, we're gonna let that dry. This is a quick drying stuff. Hurry up. Howdy, rockhounds. Today we're gonna polish rocks without a rock tumbler. This is a super quick, easy DIY method using just nail polish. Let's go! Polish on! Okay, here's what you'll need. Clear fingernail polish. I know, shocking, right? Rocks, another shocker. Hey, you want to make sure that they're as smooth as possible. You can do rough rocks too, but no pumice or porous rocks like sandstone. Yeah, just not going to work. And you need something to cover the surface you're on. I'm using paper bag, obviously, as you can see. And you need tomatoes. Oh wait, no you don't. Make sure your rocks are dry and clean, free from any dirt, dust. I mean, it's kind of a no-brainer that the polish probably won't stick very well. Use whatever you gotta use to get your rocks clean. Brushes, ultrasonic cleaner, you name it. These came from the beach, so they just had salt water on them. So I'm gonna wash them off. Oh my God, these are gonna be so pretty. Oh, look at those. Some rockhounds think fingernail polish is only good for fingernails. Grab your clear nail polish and start brushing. If you want to use a bigger brush, pour this out into a bigger container and do it that way, it's quicker. It's up to you. But if you got small rocks, then it shouldn't be a big deal. Look at that, it's already getting shiny. Oh wait, I just realized when I do this, I'm supposed to have my pinky up. Ew. Or is that when you drink tea, you're supposed to have the pinky up? Man, that's beautiful. Very nice. Nice wet look. Make sure you get the sides. Beautiful. Yeah, I've seen a lot of negative comments online that rocks polished or shined with anything other than a rock tumbler is fake and that people are just being lazy. I tend to disagree. I agree that a rock tumbler does a superior job and definitely get them super smooth and highly polished, but not everybody has the time or the patience or the space or the money to have a rock tumbler. So you find a pretty rock and you got some fingernail polish. Oh, look. This is a quick drying stuff, so it shouldn't take very long. Hurry up. Now that the tops are dry, I've noticed that I didn't get the sides, so do the sides after the top's dry. While we're waiting for this to dry, also, if you would kindly like and subscribe, if you're finding this content to be of help, spread it to others, and let's get these rocks shining. Woohoo! Please and thank you, and we love you. Flip them over. Let's do the other side. So you get less fingernail polish on your fingers when you're flipping these around and touching them. Do one side, let it dry. Do the sides, let it dry. Work your way up to everywhere except for where your finger or thumb is at. Then, once you're done with that, you can easily do the top by just setting it down like that, and you're getting less fingernail polish on you. Another tip, if you've got the quick dry fingernail polish, make sure you don't over brush it because it's going to get tacky really quick and then rough, and then you won't have as smooth of a shine polish, quote unquote, on your rock. So don't overbrush. I also recommend that you get some fingernail polish remover because you might get some on your fingertips, and so yeah, just clean that off like that. Well ventilated area too. Both of these stink. Blech. Look at that, they're done. Wow. Okay, here's the ultimate test. Let's go compare them to polished rocks and the rocks that I sprayed recently with Rust-Oleum. Here we go. Okay, these are going on a trip. Come on, you're gonna meet your new friends. All right, this is where I put my rocks that are polished in various stages of perfection or imperfections. So, look at that. I'm gonna dump them right in there and see if you even notice. Here's some pros and cons of using nail polish method to shine and polish your rocks. One pro is it's fast and easy. Tumbling can take several weeks or even months depending on how rough the rocks are. Yeah, I got a rock tumbler too, but it still takes weeks, if not months, to get polished, shiny rocks. Plus you need endless grits, tumbling, washing, rinse, lather, repeat, lather, rinse, repeat. Anyway, it's a bit labor intensive to say the least. It's fun, but yeah, you have to have patience. Another pro is that it's affordable. Nail polish is cheap. Rock tumbling isn't super expensive, but a decent tumbler and good grits can still easily set you back over $200 or more. Depends on how often you're gonna tumble, of course. Look at all these grits you gotta have. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, and some ceramic media, because you just never know when you need it. Tumble on, or not. Another pro is that there's no rock tumbler noise. Yeah, there was lots of grinding noise out in the garage when I was doing this. And if you live in an apartment, I've seen lots of online comments of people saying, oh, I want to tumble rocks, but I live in an apartment and my neighbors are complaining. Get some nail polish. Another pro is this is great for small decorative rocks. I don't know, could probably do a boulder. Holy rhyolite, look at this thing. It's huge. Just kidding. And another pro is the fingernail polish method will preserve the natural state of the rock. If you like rocks in their raw form instead of perfectly smooth, try this. I'd say it's definitely worth it. I don't like rocks that are super perfect, look like the ones in the stores. They're pretty, but they don't even look real. That's just my opinion. Okay, now for the con. They don't smooth and round like they do in a tumbler. But again, if you like the au naturel look, like so many of these that I have, hello. Another con is that the polish can wear off over time, just like fingernail polish. Probably it wouldn't do very well out in the elements either, so this is probably an inside rock thing. Yeah, extreme weather, probably no dice. And another con is that this is best for rocks with a smooth or smooth-ish surface. So, but you know, if you like the really rough and you want to put a shine to it, go for it! Woo! Okay, here's a good comparison. Rock tumbler, 4 to 6 weeks polishing that. Look at that. Got the typical rock tumbler surface. We've got Rust-Oleum spray for this fragile agate that wouldn't have survived in the tumbler. That got a nice polish. With this, Rust-Oleum, good for wood, plastic, metal. Let's go! Ooh. And fingernail polish. This rock is a bit lumpy, so yeah, here, let's get another one. This one was done with fingernail polish too. See, that one's close to this, but there's your comparison. Rock on!